Hi everyone, this is Dipti Jain, your computer teacher. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 5, Mail Merge in MS Word 2010. You have already worked in MS Word 2010 and you know how to use or open it in your computer or in your laptop. In earlier days, we used to post a letter and it take too much time to posting the letter. Now the technology has come and our problem is solved like this, right? Suppose you have to invite your friend for your birthday party and you typed invitation letter. Now you copy the same letter and type the addresses of all your friends. I think it is very difficult or it's take too much time, right? And it is very tedious job. So to it can be done very easily in MS Word 2010 by using the mail merge option. Now I'm going to tell you about what is mail merge. So move to the screen.
Now, what is mail merge? Mail merge is a feature in Word that lets you send a similar document to multiple users. The content of the document remains the same except for the recipient address or some information specific to each recipient. मेल मर्ज वर्ड का एक ऐसा फीचर है जो आपको सिमिलर डॉक्यूमेंट मल्टीपल यूज़र को सेंड करने देता है और उसका कंटेंट तो सेम होता है डॉक्यूमेंट का, लेकिन उसके एड्रेसेस जो होते हैं रेसिपिएंट्स के वो डिफरेंट होते हैं और इनमें कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है. ओके. नाउ एडवांटेजेस ऑफ मेल मर्ज. देयर आर मेनी एडवांटेजेस ऑफ मेल मर्ज. First, letter can be sent to people who meet specific criteria. A standard letter can be saved and reused. The list of addresses can be reused, or it saves time and effort. And the last is, once the merge has been set up, thousands of letters can be produced very quickly. Means जो आपने स्पेसिफिक क्राइटेरिया सेट किया हुआ है, आप उन पीपल को, उन पर्सन को लेटर भेज सकते हैं. इस लेटर को आप सेव करके रीयूज़ भी कर सकते हैं. जो आपने एड्रेसेस की लिस्ट बनाई हुई है उसको भी आप रीयूज़ कर सकते हैं, जिससे कि आपका टाइम और एफर्ट सेव होगा. लास्ट है, जो आपने मर्ज का सेटअप कर लिया है तो आप कितने भी लेटर्स प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हो बहुत ही जल्दी, राइट?
Now I am going to tell you about using mail merge. Mail merge feature is used to send the same letter to a large number of people at the same time. Mail merge means merging two files. Means कि मेल मर्ज एक ऐसा फीचर है जिसमें कि आप काफ़ी सारे लार्ज नंबर ऑफ़ पीपल्स को, काफ़ी सारे लोगों को एक ही टाइम पे सेम लेटर भेज सकते हैं. और मेल मर्ज में आप दो फाइल्स मर्ज करते हैं.
The process of mail merge involves combining two documents. These two documents are: first, main document. This is the document that contains the letter or text which is be sent. For example, an invitation. Data source. This is the file where the address of all the recipients are stored. Let us learn to use the mail merge feature. मेल मर्ज में दो डॉक्यूमेंट कौन से इन्वॉल्व होते हैं? मेन डॉक्यूमेंट और डाटा सोर्स. मेन डॉक्यूमेंट मीन जो आप लेटर लिख रहे हो, एंड डाटा सोर्स क्या होता है? जो आपकी लिस्ट बनाई ना एड्रेस, रेसिपिएंट की एड्रेस की, वो होती है डेटा सोर्स. ओके. तो हाउ कैन वी डू दिस? आई विल शो यू.
First of all, we have to create document in MS Word. I have already created this document. This letter we have to send to so many recipients, okay? And how can we do so? First of all, we have to click on this mailing tab. Then we have to click on start mail merge at this start mail merge and click on this step by step mail merge wizard. So at this option you have to click. When you click on this, then see there is a pane at your right side. You see this pane, okay? This wizard will help you to merge your document. Now click on next, starting documents, steps. There are 6 steps, step 1 to 6, okay? So click on next. Now second one is select recipients. Recipient means is the person to whom we have to send this letter, okay? So click on this. So now you will see it is asking for the
recipient. So we have to make a list of recipient to whom we want to send this letter. We don't have any list of the recipient or a person. Now you see there is a dialog box. Okay, so here we have to type a name of the person to whom we have to send this letter, means we have to type the recipient's name. So here is title is Mr. Anil. Using the tab key we can shift the column. These are called the columns of fields and rows are called the records. Okay, columns are called the fields. Suppose Agarwal, in short I am writing company name HP, address line, anything you can write here. Okay, city name suppose Bareilly, and pin code is this. Okay, then this entry will be completed, and put a new entry. For this you have to click on new entry here, Miss Geeta Mathur, then any company name, any address. Okay, and city is Agra, then again new entry. Here we can take also any entry. This way you fill the entry of the person to whom you want to send the letter, and once you have completed you have to save it and click on the OK button. When you complete this and click on the OK button, you have to save it, and then it will ask you to type a name to save this list. Suppose my list 1, this the list of the person means recipient list. Okay, click on the save. ठीक है, now this list is saved. यहाँ पर आपको टिक मार्क दिखाई दे रहे हैं, and these all person are you want to want to include to your letter, and tick mark मतलब you can check or not, मतलब जो भी पर्सन यहाँ पर लिस्ट आपकी पूरी बनी हुई है, पर्सन एक बार बना लेंगे, पर्सन लिस्ट एक बार बना लेंगे तो ये पूरी लिस्ट बन जाएगी. एंड यू कैन चेक अकॉर्डिंग टू द पर्सन टू हुम यू वांट टू सेंड. जिसको आपको भेजनी है उसके आगे टिक लगाएंगे, जिसको नहीं भेजनी है उसके आगे टिक नहीं लगाएंगे. एंड दिस इज एड सोर्स एंड क्लिक ऑन दिस. ओके, नाउ on this list it will display over here. You can see this my list MDB. MD means database. ये हमारा database बना है जिसमें कि सारे person के name होंगे. Now click on next, and next पर click करने के बाद first of all you have to insert address block over here. सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, लोगों के name लिखने हैं and put address block. See, there is so many format of address block. You can see whatever address block you like it, click on it. I like this theme. Okay, so take this format and click on it OK button. Then here we have to put greeting like hi Anil, hi Geeta. Click on the greeting line and take the format according to your choice. Here or whatever you like, you can also change the format and click on OK button. Now you can see your letter is prepared, almost prepared, and click on this preview letter. You can see here there is an address block came and greeting line is there, and now I can change the size so you can easily see it. Now click on this and you can see the first letter will look like and here, and when we click on this arrow, then the second letter is here and again the third letter is come. Or you have to just print all the three letters will came in the end. So this way we can merge two documents. This is called the main document, and that list which we prepared is called data source. So this way we can change feature of MS Word for merge the mail, and this is the way we can merge the mail in MS Word 2010. and this is easy to send a letter to so many recipients in through this mail merge option in MS Word. Okay, is completed.
So my dear student, I hope you all have understood whatever I taught you in the screen. All the things, once you have watched the video, after that you can practice it once our school is reopened. And until then, goodbye and be safe.